Maniwala kayo, legit na mag-friends talaga sina Atisa Manalo from the Philippines and Tata from Indonesia na nanalo as Miss Cosmo 2024. Akala kasi ng iba, hindi talaga sila friends. Lalong-lalo na doon sa speech ni Tata after ng kanyang pagkapanalo na tila daw ay pinapasaringan niya si Atisa Manalo. Kaya pakinggan natin.
Thank you. Such a straightforward question. I don't think I have to tell them anything. I just have to show, no? We had 3 weeks of quarantine where we are watched every day and being observed every day. If we didn't perform our best, try our best, even though our legs are hurting, even though we want to sleep all day in bed and make up excuses, we wouldn't be here. And what I've learned from Miss Cosmo is we don't talk, we walk. Thank you.